Now you'll notice that the bananas are down here. Callie can't see them. And we're just having Peaches. And she's a happy camper. 2 minutes later. You have some more peaches? There you go. Yum, yum. You like peaches? Yummy. Yummy peaches. Mmm. No bananas on the tray. Down there. Callie's happy. How are we gonna get you to eat your food? You don't like touching food? No? How come? How come? It's not polite to eat with your fingers anyway, is it? Oh, you like to eat with a spoon? Yummy. They all gone? Almost. Yum, yum. I'll put a banana back and we'll see what happens. A banana? You don't like bananas? Oh, excuse me. It's okay. We won't eat any bananas.